everyone, welcome to my Amara Vida YouTube channel. If you like what you see, please subscribe and like. I do appreciate the support. What I'm going to do is teach you how to create an image on your Canvas shell. So what I'm going to do is click on the course that I'm trying to change that image for. I'm going to scroll down to the settings option. I'm going to click the three dots at the image section, and I'm going to click choose image. It's going to say upload image. From there, I'm going to go into a new tab, and I'm going to do a Google search for Spanish images. I'm going to click on images, and I'm going to find something that I like. I'm going to two-finger click. I am on a Mac. And then I'm going to click Save Image As. I'm going to make sure that I know where I'm saving it to. Then I'm going to go into Google Slides. What I did in Canvas is I looked up the dimensions for what the image needs to be. So I'm going to go into Google Slides. I'm going to click on blank. I'm going to let it load, and then I'm going to click up here on the top left so that I name it. And then of course you have your little folder so you can put it where you want it to go. I'm going to delete these because I no longer need these. Then I'm going to go to File. I'm going to go to Page Setup. I'm going to click on Custom, and I'm going to change it to 259 by 143, and then I'm going to change those to pixels and click Apply. Now what I'm going to do is drag my image and drop it. It's super small because I changed the dimensions. And then I'm just going to set it up how I like, and I could drag it out if it doesn't look too bad. Okay, then I'm going to go, I know which class it is, and so I want to be able to see that nice and big. So I'm going to go to Insert, and I'm going to go to Word Art. And for me, this is a quarter class. I'm going to click Enter. And of course, it went really small. I'm going to I'm going to click up here to change that color. So it's really easy for me to see. That's probably a little too big. Now what I'm going to do is go to File. I'm going to go to Download. I'm going to save it as a JPEG. I'm going to know where I'm saving it to. It automatically saves as what I've titled my slide. I'm going to click Save. I'm going to go back into my Canvas shell, and I'm already set up, and all I'm going to do is drag and drop it. And look how pretty that looks. Oh, and of course it was the wrong class. I needed it to be 1A. Super simple to change. Go right back here, double click, change that to an A because that's what I need. Go to File, go to Download, click on JPEG. Know where I'm saving it to. Click the Save button. Go back up to here, click the three dots, click Choose an Image, drag and drop. Boom, nice and pretty. Go down and click Update Course Details. And I'm going to go back to my dashboard so you see what it looks like. And now it's nice and pretty. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you like it, please click that like button and please subscribe.